See, these here they hold up to 50 pounds, and then I have some that hold up to 75 pounds. And I always like to have a couple of both. And son of a gun, I thought the 50s would be right, but see, they're smaller. And you see how big the threads are on this? Had I known, I could have used my 50s. I could have used that for all the holes, right? I think I could have. But then, I'm pretty sure my drywall screws would fit in either one, although this is pretty small for this. Okay, and so I don't think my screws would fit on the 50s. I'm glad I brought this 75 pound ones down, and see they're the same. They're the same, but they're white, and they're just a little bit stronger. All I can think of, this kind of feels pliable, but all I can think of is maybe where this is. Maybe this is a 5/8 sheetrock wall, or I know, it could be, you know what? It could be 2 layers. It could be 2 layers of 1/2 inch sheetrock. This, I believe, is a tenant separation wall between condos. Okay, so that's probably why these were starting to bend. I don't think these white ones will do that. We'll see here. Yeah, these are nice. Okay, that's probably 2 layers of 5/8 is what's going on with that. And that's okay. I'll save these other ones for another time, and I'll leave them right in with my other plastic anchors. What I could do, I could use my other plastic anchors and then use the thread and then screw the other one in. Let's just try that. Let's just see, because the other threads seem to be just a hair longer, you know, of the ones that they gave me. Let's see how well it feels just a hair loose because the threads on it's probably from a different manufacturer. I don't want to keep messing with it, okay? So I'm gonna leave those, and I'm gonna put those in another time when I got only 1/2 inch sheetrock or 5/8. Those other ones will work fine. Okay, let's see. And just put them in. And I don't like to put these in with the drill. I've seen some guys do it with the drill, but I'd rather do it this way. It doesn't really take much longer. Plus I can know when to stop, you know, and feel when they're tight. Those feel good. That's good. Okay, there you go. Okay, that is the next stepperoonie. Okay, now I'm just going to screw these in. I got to make sure I remember which side is facing up. That's facing up. Remember I said I was going to use my drywall screws. We're just going to try that. The thing with that is this has to be a perfect fit. In actuality, I think I might, if I'm going to do that, I'm thinking I might have to use my 1 5/8 drywall screws. We're going to see here for a second. No, these are fine. Okay. And that's breaking the plastic on the back just barely. Okay. Of the plastic anchor. When you see these plastic anchors, there's an actual little crack there. So when your screw goes beyond that, it kind of breaks that. And that kind of spreads it too. And we're going to go facing up. Okay. And this measurement really should be fine. It shouldn't be off hardly at all. But if it's off ever so much, ever so little, I can take one of the other screws, because it's got a flat head on it, and then put that in instead of the drywall screw. And that might give me just, you know, hardly anything, but just enough, maybe, to allow this to shift ever so little when I get ready to put these in case it needs to just slightly be a little bit bigger. Okay, so now I've got to start at the bottom. It says put a pencil mark here, but you can eyeball that. I know I'm at the bottom, and all I'm going to do is take my fingers and push up and get it just above there, and then it pushes back down, spring-loaded. See? That's nice. It's like, why didn't they ever figure that out from years ago, right? It looks nice too. Okay, I've got it there. Gotta push up high enough, and then let it spring down. And now I'm gonna push that, and look at that. It fits. Oh, that's nice. It fits just beautiful. Okay, look at that. That is pretty good. I'm liking that. And you see, her mark was in the middle, right there, and that's where it is, and that's where the top of the template was. So I've got it right in the center, and I'm looking at that, and it looks like this. I don't know. This might have to be. No. It almost looks slightly askew, and I'm not sure what the deal with that is. I mean, that lines up. Okay, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. I mean, it might, you know, okay, there we go. Oh, you know what it could have been? I might not have been in the perfect area at the bottom. That looks a lot better. Okay, and now to change your toilet paper, you just flip that up, put it on, push it back down, presto. Look at that, you've done it, VideoJoe. Now are we done? No, we're not done yet, almost.